Welcome to Name That Sound. This is a game where you will grab that piece of paper from your box and you'll listen to some sounds and you're going to record them on a paper. Now we want you to be exact. If you didn't already know, the point of this game is to name that sound. We will play a short clip of a sound and we want you to guess it, but we want you to be exact. So if it was the sound of the trees rustling, we don't want you to say wind blowing. We want you to say the trees rustling. We'll give you a few seconds to record your answer and then we'll move on to the next sound. How does that sound? Take a listen to your first sound. Did you hear our first sound? Well, the answer is bowling strike. Okay, question number 2. Did you hear that? The answer is a toilet flushing. On to sound number 3. Listen close. Did you guess that one? It was an owl hooting. Sound number 4. Your answer for question number 4 is a pen clicking. Question number 5. That was a crazy one. That was a plate smashing. Question number 6. Listen careful. If you just guessed vacuum, that's not correct. It's vacuuming. Question number 7. Are we still listening? Oh, do I hear the barnyard? That was a hen. Question number 8. We're almost there. Oh, this one's a good one. It was a tap running. Question number 9. Almost to the end. Do you hear that? The answer is a clock ticking. Question number 10, our final question. Listen good. The answer is ducks. Thanks for joining us today in Name That Sound. We hope that you got all the answers correct. And we hope that you're having a great evening, enjoying the rest of your activities. Bye-bye.